I will simply say that yes, there is a lot of fear around AI, and there, when you look at it from a business standpoint, if you're using a large language model and you don't actually know what was in the model, you run the risk that if there is a lawsuit, if there is some sort of action taken against that company, and they are forced to have to either be transparent about what they did and compensate whoever they scraped and all those types of things, that may take them and put them out of business, which then puts whatever you have built on that particular model out of business as well. So from a business standpoint, you have that going on. And so, yes, the five families are very concerned about how AI is used within the studios and so forth and so on. I get that. From the artist side, especially from the writers and from those who are creating imagery in the animation space and things of that nature, who have their work out in the world already, there is a good amount of fear and concern, and with good reason, because if you are taking their content and not using and not compensating them and not acknowledging them, you are depreciating their intellectual property. And doesn't matter what the laws are about that. What matters is the fact that someone has been done wrong. And so that's the part where people are really fearful about AI. It has less to do with the technology, and it has more to do with who's controlling and using the technology. The best quote that I heard, and I wish I could remember who said it to me, but they said, if the tool is being used by a tool, then we're all in trouble. And I use that, and I want to get that out in the world because that's the real concern. Tech has changed. Tech continues to change. It always does. You know, there was when Photoshop came out, everyone was crying that, this is going to be the end of photography. And, you can't believe anything that you see and all of these things. And, you can do all this stuff. And while, yes, you can change and manipulate photography, you can do all these wonderful things with it. However, photographers have still made a living because the one thing that you can't replicate is a live event. No one is going to be able to replicate something that is happening live in this world today and say, I'm going to do that. Now, they can copy it after it's done, but they can't create that. So I do think that right now, especially where I am seated, that we're doing a lot in Hollywood to move things forward and get people comfortable with the use of AI, but properly doing it where the human interaction with the tools is at the forefront of what's actually being done. Because these tools can generate, but only humans can create.